In this video, I'll show you how to find and download our free previews for candle mockup templates and scenes. First, head over to productivevisionaries.com, navigate to the PSD templates section in the top menu, and click on Scented Candles PSD. Here you'll find all the available templates. Currently, only straight-sided candle jars are available, but more styles will be added soon. To access the free templates, click the first browsing option to view the free collection. You'll find templates for different variations: clear, tinted, frosted glass, glossy, and matte ceramic. We also offer combined versions of translucent or opaque finish in one template for more convenient use across multiple products. Browse the options, choose the one you want to test, and click Add to Bag. After that, proceed to checkout. Since these are free previews, no payment details are needed. Just enter your name, country, and email. Make sure your email is correct to receive the files. You can easily redo the process if there's a typo with free previews, but double-checking helps avoid issues when purchasing full versions. Review the terms and conditions, especially Section 16, which explains how you can use the free previews. Once reviewed, check the box and click Continue. You'll receive an email with the files you selected. After downloading, extract the archived file using your favorite app or use Bondi Zip free version. If you don't have a favorite one, open the file in Photoshop. Don't have Photoshop? No problem. You can also use Photopea.com, a free, browser-based tool that works like Photoshop. We won't cover how to fully customize the template here. That's for future videos. Keep an eye on the info cards for more in-depth tutorials. These free previews allow you to see how your candle design will look before purchasing the full resolution version. Ready to try it yourself? Head to our website to grab a free preview and see how easy it is to create stunning visuals for your candle brand. If you'd like to learn how to download compatible AI-generated scenes, check the video in the info cards. See you in the next video, and happy designing!